How does Snickers pie sound? What if you can make it in a healthy way without even turning on your oven? I'll show you how right now. Hi, I'm Joann and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. If you're looking for healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet, you're in the right place. So please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future tips and videos. So let me show you how to make this incredible no-bake Snickers pie that is gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, and raw vegan. See the full recipe in the description below. For the crust, we need medjool dates, cacao powder, almonds, unsweetened coconut flakes, vanilla, and sea salt. Put the almonds, dates, and coconut flakes into the food processor. Blend until smooth. Now add raw cacao powder, vanilla, and sea salt. Blend until smooth but also sticks together. If it is not sticking together well, just add a tablespoon or so of water at a time to make it stick together and pull away from the sides. Line an 8-inch round pie pan with parchment paper so the pie doesn't stick. Press the crust mixture evenly into the pan. You may want to use water on your fingers to keep it from sticking. Cut off the excess parchment paper. This makes a nice crust for any raw pie. Place in the freezer to set while you make the caramel layer. What's your favorite candy bar? Let us know in the comments below.
For the caramel layer, we need medjool dates, peanut butter, coconut oil, and vanilla. It is not necessary to melt the coconut oil for this recipe. Put all the caramel ingredients into the food processor. You don't need to clean between making this and the crust. Blend until very smooth. You will probably have to scrape the sides with a spatula and blend some more.
If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button now. It'll really help us out.
Spread an even layer on top the pie crust and return to the freezer. For the peanut butter mousse, you will need 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk refrigerated overnight. Or you can make milk from fresh coconut meat and water if you want to make this fully raw. We also need peanut butter, which can be made raw, or you can use any raw nut butter. We'll also need vanilla extract and a pinch of sea salt. You can use maple syrup or another liquid sweetener like agave or date nectar. You can make your own date nectar with dates and water.
Watch this video to see how to make raw peanut butter.
Open the coconut milk cans or the coconut milk you made and scoop out the solid white coconut cream. Save the remaining coconut water for a smoothie later. Add in the peanut butter, your liquid sweetener of choice, vanilla, and a pinch of sea salt. Blend until smooth.
Don't forget to download our free Christmas ebook with more chocolate recipes in the description below.
Spread evenly on top of the set caramel layer. Doesn't this look delicious? But it's not over yet.
Check out more chocolate recipes in the playlist and the description below.
Optionally, you can drizzle dark chocolate, raw if possible, melted on low heat below 118 degrees Fahrenheit in a double boiler if you want to keep it raw. Freeze overnight and store leftovers in the freezer. You will need to thaw for about 10 minutes before serving. It will last months in the freezer if you don't eat it up first. This dessert is loaded with calories, 620 in fact. So you might want to make a meal out of this instead of eating it for dessert. It has plenty of protein and fat to keep you full until your next meal.
Remember, you can have your comfort food, but just in a healthy way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Watch these videos around me so you can get more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.